Hello beautiful family, how are you wherever you are? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Yes, it's me, Mavis Juke. You are all welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and share the videos. Today I just want to show you I'm in the village, in our rural area. You can see there far there is some goats. I'm in the river. I want to do the washing. We don't use washing machines in the village, but we just wash with our hands. Like now, this is, I put safe in this dish, so I'm washing. This is just a small blanket and I want to wash it. So I'm putting my feet there inside. There is water and safe. That's how we wash blankets in the village. I put some water and some soap or safe. Like me, I put safe. So now we use our legs to wash the blankets like this. I'll be just using my feet to wash the blankets. This is how we do it in the village. Here in the Southern Africa, in Zimbabwe. Yes, we don't have washing machines in the village. We use our legs to wash blankets or other big stuff. But like things like clothes, no, we just use our hands. But like now, this is a blanket, so we use our feet like this. I think you can see how we do it. Like this. It was dirty, and the way I am washing it, you can see now the water is dirty. Then when I'm done with washing using legs, I will take it out. I take the stuff out from the dish. You can see now the water is dirty. It means it's clean. Then I put it down like this on the stone, and then I dip it in the river like this. Like this in the river now. That is where I wash, final washing, taking out all the dirty from the river. You can see even the water is dirty. It means it was also dirty, but now it's becoming clean. You can see. I think I must go a little far in the river. I must mind the phone. You can see it's now becoming clean and shiny. That is how we wash in the river in the village. Now it's clean. Then I put it back on the stone. And then I'm taking out the water using my hands like this. You see now it's clean water. But there it was very dirty. It's only that I throw it out. But it was dirty. But now it's clean water. Yes. No washing machines in the village. But naturally, we use our hands. You can see now this small blanket is clean. It's clean. Even there on the stone where the water is flowing, it's very clean. Now I must try it nice using my hands.